We made it! Hey, what are you doing? Let me help you. Is this your baby? Come on, little one. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Thank God. Thank goodness he made it. Doctor said it's a miracle.
Your cub made it. They're together again. Eating well, energy is coming back fast. The wild is calling. She remembers where she belongs.
She took her little one and returned to the wild. A month later, she came back with her whole family to meet me. Is it you, buddy? Oh my gosh, is this your family?